Hey man, son man, Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see?
Yo. What is up, guys? We're guys giving you another reaction. Yeah, and today we are with Mr. Blinds, Father Blinds himself, Nigy boy. Yes, with DJ Mac, produced by DJ Mac on the Down Riddim. Yes, it's a music video on the Down Riddim. So I'm going to jump on the one and see what the GFE is saying, no man. Let's go.
Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout. What a piece of pressure when she comes back down.
Yeah, you know, so them man always start them song some different type of way, right? Alright.
What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious. It ain't hard to tell. Woo! Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again.
Riddim ya!
Jamaica's worst gamer!
Riddim ya!
Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout.
Mark!
What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious.
Goddess!
It ain't hard to tell.
Look at her!
Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do.
Yo! Mark, you're fine there! Mark! Oh, buckler, dog! Mark, you're fine to do that, remember that?
Itsy bitsy spider up the
Riddim bad, you
water
fuck.
spout. What a piece of
The Riddim bad, but it not take away from nothing from Nigy boy. Nigy boy have it like same way. The Riddim bad, you fuck.
Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout. What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious. It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse.
Yeah.
Let me feel the way. It's bad and dangerous. Yeah. Stop wonder if me can manage. Bring it come here, make my angle it. Grapple cleave and dismantle it. You say each cheek big like one planet. What are they when you rest my hands on it?
Pull up! Let's go again.
Yo! Me I hear piece of the face of Riddim. Me I hear one different knock on the face of Riddim. Yo, this body you fuck, dog. Nigy boy, pick up the bum buckler and say, bye.
What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious. It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got.
Yeah.
You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got.
Yeah.
What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel the way. It's bad and dangerous. Yeah. Stop wonder if me can manage. Bring it come here, make my angle it. Grapple cleave and dismantle it. You say each cheek big like one planet.
Oh, buckler. Each cheek big like one planet. Yo, put up the bum buckler song, my yo.
Itsy bitsy spider.
Nigy boy, brother. Nigy boy.
What a piece of pressure when she comes back.
Me hear them put enough artists of the year in a for them category. Wait. But on the not mention Nigy boy. Nigy boy have some mega hits this year, brother.
What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious.
Nigy boy have some
It ain't
mega
hard
hits
to
this year.
tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got.
Yeah.
What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse.
Yeah.
Let me feel the way. It's bad and dangerous. Yeah. Stop wonder if me can manage. Bring it come here, make my angle it. grapple, cleave and dismantle it. You say each cheek big like one planet. What a day when me rest my hands pan it. When you start shake like a tambourine, like that, like that. Balance for me, go up and down like a trampoline. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you.
Yo, pull up.
Let's go.
Yo, we can't get past the first verse, brother. This our international field, dog.
It's a bit
Nigy boy international, that we are talking about.
What a piece of pressure
Nigy
when
boy,
she
you cross
comes
over, that we are
back
talking
down.
about.
What a heaviness,
That we are talking about.
it's obvious.
Buckler.
It ain't hard to tell.
Ready?
Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got.
Yeah.
You know I like a challenge, so come show me what you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, it's bad and dangerous. Yeah. Stop, wonder if me can manage. Bring it, come here, make my angle it. Grapple, cleave and dismantle it. You say each cheek big like one planet. What a day when me rest my hands pan it. When you start shake like a tambourine, like that, like that. Balance for me, go up and down like a trampoline. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, it's bad and dangerous. Yeah, excuse me. He carried down, ticking, tacking like the hands of a clock. Oh yeah, and really define natural laws.
Hickory, dog. Yeah. Yo, Nigy boy different, brother. Nigy boy
Dangerous,
different.
yeah.
Brother, Nigy boy different. Listen.
Excuse me. He carried down, ticking, tacking like the hands of a clock. Oh yeah, and really define natural laws. You know see how she a wine and a walk. Oh, I know say me a overreact, but how you fit a lot that in your shots, baby. You left me surprised in a shock when you make it sound like a coup and a clap. Oh, got something solid as a rock. When you get tired and feel like relax, just come over, take a seat on my lap. Bend down like I say you a boss a squat, baby. Me there you feel your avalanche. Remember say me Kawasaki a shot. Say you a dancing queen, so
Yo, me have to put up a second verse now.
I know say me a off.
Wait, the man.
He carried down, ticking, tacking like the hands of a clock. Oh yeah, and really define natural laws. You know see how she a wine and a walk. Oh, I know say me a overreact, but how you fit a lot that in your shots, baby. You left me surprised in a shock when you make it sound like a coup and a clap. Oh, got something solid as a rock. When you get tired and feel like relax, just come over, take a seat on my lap. Bend down like I say you a boss a squat, baby. Me there you feel your avalanche. Remember say me Kawasaki no shot.
Yo, the boss now miss a beat, you know? Although him can't see, him now miss a beat. Him now miss a beat, brother. Yo, the you talented, you fuck. DJ Mac, big up your fucking self, brother. Big up yourself. Me have to big up even before the song done, me G. Great production. Video personnel, big up on yourself. Great video. Great video. Nigy, big up yourself. The female empress, not the video, big up yourself, mama.
I feel like relax, just come over, take a seat on my lap. Bend down like I say you a boss a squat. Baby, me there you feel your avalanche. Remember say me Kawasaki no shot. Say you a dancing queen, so how about you come dance for me? You could do some damage with that bumper.
Dancing queen.
Oh yeah, you know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, Miss bad and dangerous. Yeah, excuse me.
Yeah, boy, pull it up again, you fuck that. What is that? Pull it up again. What is that? Pull it up again. What is that?
Pull up.
Itsy spider up the water. What a piece of pressure when she comes back down. What a heaviness, girl, it's obvious. It ain't hard to tell. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. That's right. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a globe, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, it's bad and dangerous. Yeah, stop, wonder if me can manage. Bring me come, you make my angle it. Grapple cleave and dismantle it. You say each cheek big like one planet. What a day when me rest my hands pan it. When you start shake like a tambourine, like that, like that. Balance for me, go up and down like a trampoline. Now you could do some damage with that bumper where you got. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a glow, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, it's bad and dangerous, yeah. Excuse me, they carried down, ticking, tacking like the hands of a clock, oh yeah. And really define natural laws. You know see how she a wine and a walk, oh. I know say me a overreact, but how you fit all of that in your shots, baby. You left me surprised in a shock when you make it sound like a 2 o'clock. Got something solid as a rock. When you get tired and feel like relax, just come over, take a seat on my lap. Bend down like I say you a boss a squat, baby. Me there you feel your avalanche. Remember say me Kawasaki no shot. Say you a dancing queen, so how about you come dance for me? You could do some damage with that bumper where you got. Oh yeah. You know I like a challenge, so come show me where you got. What you can do, spin it like a glow, make it collapse. Let me feel the way, Miss Bad and Dangerous, yeah. Excuse me.
Bumbleclot. What can I say? What can I say that I haven't said already? Why is Nigy Boy not in Artist of the Year running for? Why does all of the big artists they want to put in the Artist of the Year category? Why? Nigy Boy up there too, brother. Nigy Boy have sang in a dog. Big bad sang to in a dog. For the life of me, I can't understand I'm not the foolish. Sean, them sang the bad in a brother. Sang of the year, them sang the have content the final dog. Walk one. And this year drop. Me sure it's this year drop. Walk one. Yo, Nigy, make up your fucking self, bro. Go and put in your work. Go and put in your work. DJ Mac, rhyme the book, make up yourself. Yes. Black's the Man, composed by Black's the Man. Big up yourself, my G. The 9 Mile Zone. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, Down Riddim. Wonder which other artist step on a Riddim, man. I forgot to search a Riddim right now. Yo, just let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Drop us up if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. For real.
JAMAICA'S worst gamer.
Peace.
Hey man, son man, Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest, you see it.